want to waste your time, so I'm straight to the point of my Facebook method overview in this lecture. I want to keep it simple, and in this lecture I'll be clearly explaining the overview of the method. So let's get started. We are going to find upcoming launching products, create a Facebook page, and rank it on Google using Genie SEO software. This software is 100% free with the course, as I explained earlier. So I'm just saying it again. We are going to find upcoming launching products, create a Facebook page, and rank it on Google using Genie SEO software. Now let's see the steps one by one. The first step, finding upcoming launching products in Amazon. We are going to find upcoming launching products in Amazon, which means we are going to find the Amazon products that are not even released. This means there is absolutely no competition in Google because no one knows about this product, but soon it's going to be very popular. So we'll be ranking them on first page of Google before anyone does. So there is no competition. Google will rank our page with no issues. I'll be clearly explaining you on how to find future hot releasing top products in the upcoming lectures, but for now assume we have found an upcoming launching product, and our next step is to create a Facebook page and then ranking it on search engines. Now creating a Facebook page is going to be very easy. All you need to do is follow my simple steps, which I'll be explaining in the Facebook creation lecture. And after you've created the Facebook page, all you need is running the Genie SEO software once every week to rank it automatically on first page of Google. After you ranked it on top of Google, all you need is to wait for the product launch date, after which you can see the Amazon commission rolling in. I've clearly explained you the whole blueprint of the Amazon Facebook system. Now in the upcoming lecture, I'll be explaining every step very clearly and why I am doing the particular step.